Hello Northern Virginia, this is Julie Borneman with Watermark Woods. We are here in Hamilton at the nursery, Watermark Woods, where we sell native plants that are pesticide free, which is a huge benefit to our wildlife here in Northern Virginia. If you think about it, where you live, where you shop, where you work, once upon a time was habitat for birds, bees, critters, whatever. And so we're trying to replace that. So if you can plant one native plant in your house or in your yard, you can do a lot to support wildlife. So come out and see us and plant some plants. Now you may say, but it's fall, I plant in the spring. Well, spring is a great time to plant, but fall is a fantastic time as well. If you think about it, these plants, they are not worried about putting up a flower. They don't have to put up new leaves. They don't have to worry about drought in summertime. So planting in the fall is fantastic because all they're focused on is putting down roots and growing so that in the spring, when they come up, they are ready to run. They're going to produce flowers, great leaves, nice, beautiful for the pollinators, for the birds. So it's really fantastic to plant in the fall. So come see us. We're open April 1st through October 31st from 9 to 2 on Wednesday through Friday, and Saturdays we stay open from 9 to 4. So we hope to see you all soon out here in Hamilton.